Fernando Alonso is not gonna replace Sergio Perez at Red Bull. I'm 99.9% convinced that ain't gonna happen. I think Fernando Alonso will stay with Aston Martin beyond his current contract. I think Sergio Perez is going to be in the Red Bull in 2024, given that he has a contract for 2024. Besides, I think to have two alpha males in the same team, it wouldn't be a good idea, especially with Max Verstappen and Fernando Alonso. I think if anybody will replace Sergio Perez, it would be Daniel Ricciardo, like I've said in many other videos before. And if they were to get somebody from another team, my candidate would be Nico Hulkenberg, because I think he is the least that would cause trouble, because I think he would be quite happy to back up Max Verstappen and fight for podiums and wins when Max isn't able to do so. Besides, I think Nico Hulkenberg would deserve to be in the top team at the tail end of his career. Anyway, this is just what I'm thinking. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Cheers for watching. If you do like my content, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. If you want to support me in a more personal way, then check out the links in the video description. And if you do want to buy me a virtual coffee, then go ahead and purchase a small super thanks, so that I can use that to get myself my favorite coffee, which is cafe latte. Alright, speak to you later, guys. Bye.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.